Hey, what's up? In today's video, I want to show you how you can embed a YouTube video to your page or post very easily with Elementor for your WordPress website. So to give you an example, I have just picked a random post that I have created already on my website, and below that over here you can see I have added a video, and it's a video to my own YouTube channel. So let me show you how it works. If I click on play. What's up? Welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I want to show you where you can find you will see that the video will play file in SiteGround. It works fine. Now you can change it if you want to. So first you have to go to your SiteGround. So I won't show the whole video, of course, but I want to show you how you can add this to your page and how it works and how you can do the settings. So you start off by opening the Elementor editor, and I will delete this one so I can show you from scratch how it works. So click on delete. So now you can see the post over here, and how it works is first you have to go to the elements in the menu, and if you don't see this you can click on this square dotted icon over here. Then you will see all the widgets that you have in Elementor, and over here at the basic widgets you can see this one, the video widget, and it's available with the free version of Elementor, so you don't need to have the pro version to use this. What you need to do now is you have to drag this widget onto the canvas, so you can drag it anywhere that you want to. So for example, below this post, just drag it over there, and now you can see by default this video will be loaded, and that's because by default this link is set, and this is just a video that is uploaded by the Elementor YouTube channel, and you can see it's called video placeholder. What you can do now is you can add another URL. So for example, I'll copy and paste this one. So first I'll delete the default one. Now the field is empty. You can also see that the video disappears because no link has been set. And if I now paste another link, and this one is just the regular URL that you see in the browser where you open a video on YouTube, so you can just copy and paste it from any video that you want. And now let me walk you through the settings real fast. So the first option that you have over here in the content tab is the source option. By default it's set to YouTube, and that's what I always use, but you can also select another source, for example like Vimeo or Dailymotion, or you can do a self-hosted source. Over here you have the start time and also the end time, and with this you can basically select a part in the video that you want to show. So that might be useful if you only want to show a specific part of the video. Then you can set the start time over here and the end time over here, and then it will only play that part of your video. So that's very helpful. Then you have a couple of other options, the video options, and the first one is autoplay. By default it's switched off, but if you enable this, then the video will play automatically after the page has been loaded. You also have the mute option. That means of course that there's no audio, and by default it's set off, but you can enable this if you want to. Then you have the loop option, and that means basically that the video will play over and over again, so you can manage it with the loop option. Then you have the player controls. By default it's switched on, but if you turn this off, now you can see it's not being displayed. It doesn't make a really big difference, but I always leave it on. You also have the modest branding and the privacy mode. You can use that if you want to, and this is an option that I would recommend you to use, the lazy load option, and that's because with this turned on it will impact the speed score of your website in the Google speed test, for example, in a positive way, so it increases the results. And of course you want your website to be as fast as possible, so therefore switch on the lazy load option. And below that you have the suggested videos option, and by default it's set to current video channel, so that means that the videos that are recommended are from the same channel, but you can also set any video if you want to. Then another option you have is the image overlay. So if you want you can switch this on, and then you can select any image from the media library, and then it will display the image instead of showing this. So that's how you can do that. Then I want to show you the style option real quickly. The option you have over here is the aspect ratio, and by default it's set to 16:9. So I always leave it as it is, but if you want you can also check out other aspect ratios over here. So I'll just leave it as this one. Then the last thing I want to show you about this is the advanced option, and if you want to adjust the size of the video, then you can do this over here with the margin and the padding option. So when you add the video widget to the canvas, then it will fill up the complete space for the column that it has been set to. But let's say I want to make this video smaller. The way to do that is just use the margin option. You can first click on this option over here, the paperclip icon, the link values together icon. And if you click it, now you can manage all the fields over here individually. If you want to make it smaller, you go to right, then you can add, for example, 150 pixels. You can also do that to the left side like this. And now you can see that the video becomes much smaller. So this way you can adjust the size. I'll leave it at the full width. And now let me show you how it looks on the tablet view. So over here you can see it looks nice also, so that's perfect. And the last view is the mobile view. And over here you can see it looks like this. This is how you can add videos with Elementor to your WordPress pages or posts. So I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, of course, make sure to like the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate that very much. And when you do, also hit the notification bell if you want to stay updated on new videos that will be uploaded. So that's it for this video. Take care, and I'll see you back again in the next one.